Yo guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you some of the best Chrome web extensions for affiliate marketers. You won't want to miss this. Let's get started right away. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you, like I've said, series of web Chrome extensions that is very good for affiliate marketers that you can use to design your landing pages, promote your product, as the case may be. So one of the first I'll be sharing with you is, check it out. So let's go to the web store, Google Web Store. So in the search the store, type Virtual Inspector. Okay, that's the first one that you can see, Virtual Inspector. What you have to do is click on it. So 80,000 users presently, that's a whole lot. So I've already added it to the Chrome. That's why you see remove from Chrome. So I've already added. So yours, if you're just saying it, you'll see add to Chrome. So quickly add that to Chrome and it does this thing, and you'll see Virtual Inspector successfully installed. So come to this point, you'll see a variety of extensions. So what you can do is ensure that you tag the Visual Inspector to be on the tab here. So this is the Visual Inspector extension for Chrome. So how do you use this? So if you want to get images from any site, you don't need to disturb yourself or do any sort of cropping whatsoever. With this web Chrome extension, you get it done in seconds. So let's take an example. This I come to this website. This is seller.co. Is one of the affiliate platform whereby you can sell your digital product from anywhere in the world. So if you go through this, you see a lot of images, the seller logo, a lot of images. You can see all these images. So what you really want to do is that you want to save these images. So rather, instead of right clicking, so you can actually see all these images in one place. So what am I going to do? Just go to the extension, click on it. So immediately you click on it, then where I want to go is where you have this asset, which is like a camera logo. Click on it. So clicking on that, you can see that you have 45 assets on this website that you can use. So this 45 assets, go through it. Can you see the logo of the lady we saw down there, the guy? So a lot of images that you can use from here. So this is the seller logo. If I want this, I can download. If I want this, I can download. So I just click here, export, and it does it. What? That's downloads right away. So let me check where in my folder. So I have the logo here already. If I double click on it, so I have this logo and I can use it anywhere, anytime. As simple as that. I don't want to stress this video further. If you like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the notification bell and drop a comment or share your own extension that has been productive for you. See you guys next time. Bye.